Making a friend sounds easy. In your first language, maybe it is. But in English, sometimes the simplest thing feels like the hardest thing in the world. Welcome to Speak English Flow, a place where real conversations help real people grow in English. I'm Emma.
And I'm Mohin. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. And if you are here for the very first time, we are glad you came. Today's topic lives close to my heart. You will understand why very soon.
And nobody here will judge your silence. Silence before the first word does not mean you are cold. It does not mean you are boring. It means you are choosing. You are thinking of the right, real thing to say. And that is worth respecting.
Nobody.
Not even me. And I have heard Mohin try to start a conversation.
Emma?
I'm joking.
Actually, I prepared for today's episode. I found an article, 7 Tips for Making Friends, very scientific.
7?
I tried all 7 on one person in 3 minutes. All 7 questions, one after the other.
All 7, of course.
She asked me if I was writing a book about her.
I'm joking, but also, that is the most human thing I have ever heard. What Mohin said just now, the classmate who sat next to him for an entire semester and they never spoke, I think every English learner listening right now has felt that exact moment. You had the words, you just couldn't reach them in time.
Even people who study for years?
Especially people who study for years. You can pass a grammar test, you can write every verb correctly on paper, but when a real person stands next to you and you want to say something,
The words stay inside.
and you don't know why. Today, we are going to fix that. So if you have ever said hi to someone and then watched the silence grow and grow and grow, this episode is for you.
Or if you have ever walked away from a conversation thinking, I knew exactly what to say, I just couldn't say it in time.
Yes, that feeling. We know that feeling. And today, we have something real for you. This is an A2 to B1 level episode, so please, do not worry if you miss a word or two.
Just listen. Just follow the conversation. Let the English come to you.
And later, we have our word tour. 3 key words from today. Slow, clear, with examples you can use.
Today. Not someday. Today.
Today. But first, one small favor. If Speak English Flow is helping you, please subscribe.
New episodes regularly, real English, real conversations. Exactly like this one.
And share this with one friend who is learning English. Just one.
One friend. That is enough. Are you ready?
Let's go. Honest question.
Yes.
When you want to make a friend in English, what is the hardest part?
The beginning.
Just the beginning?
If I get past the beginning, I am okay. I can talk. But that first moment, that first sentence,
The first sentence is the hardest?
always.
And here is something important. It is not the grammar that stops people. It is not even the vocabulary. It is that first step into the conversation. The door. Many people never open it. I want to share a story. A listener wrote to us. His name is Carlos. He moved to a new city for work. Every morning, he went to the same coffee shop. For 3 months, same table, same coffee, same faces around him.
Did he talk to anyone?
He smiled, he nodded. That was all. He felt invisible, like he was standing behind a glass wall. He could see all the conversations happening around him, but he could not enter them.
That sounds very lonely.
It was. He felt embarrassed, like everyone else found it easy and he was the only one who didn't know how to begin.
I know that feeling.
But then, one morning, he decided to try just one sentence, one small, real thing.
What did he say?
He looked at the man at the next table and said, "Is this your regular coffee too?"
That's it?
That's it. The man laughed. They talked for 7 minutes. Carlos was late for work, but he had a new friend.
Just one sentence.
Just one sentence is enough. Same coffee shop, different choice. To open his mouth.
Same morning, different first word.
Exactly. And today, we are going to give you the tools to do the same thing. 4 of them. Tool 1, the opening line.
The opening line. What makes it different from just saying hi?
Hi is a knock on the door. The opening line actually opens it. It is one real, in-the-moment sentence, something true about where you are, what you see, what you feel right now.
Like talking about the place you're in.
Exactly. Instead of saying hi and waiting in silence, say this. This place is always so busy, isn't it? Or is this seat free? I come here every morning.
Oh, it is a question. Something real, something they can answer.
Something they cannot say no to. The opening line is not clever, it is just honest. Just one sentence is enough to open any door.
The first sentence is the hardest, but it is also the only sentence I really need.
That is exactly right. Tool 2. The question bridge.
A bridge.
Think of a conversation like crossing a river. Every question you ask is a stepping stone. Without questions, you fall in.
I have fallen in the river many times.
We all have. The question bridge works like this. After someone answers, use their words. Ask one connected question, just one. Build with what they gave you.
Like they say, I study here, and I ask, oh, what do you study?
Perfect. You are not inventing new topics. You are building the bridge with the stones they give you.
So I don't need to prepare conversation topics. I just follow them.
Exactly. Instead of saying, oh, nice, and going silent, ask one question. Just one sentence is enough to keep the whole conversation moving.
One question at a time, one stone at a time.
Tool 3. The small offer.
The small offer.
Sometimes the easiest way to begin a friendship is not with words at all. It is with a small, kind action. Something simple that says, I see you.
Like what kind of action?
You hold a door. You offer a seat. You pass something before they ask. You say, do you want this chair? I'm leaving soon. That is all.
Just that small thing.
Just that. The small offer says, I am friendly, without grammar, without planning, without pressure, and then the conversation starts on its own.
The action opens the door, then the words walk through.
That is painfully accurate, Mohin. Instead of saying, let me introduce myself, do one small kind thing. The rest comes naturally.
Whoa, that is much easier than I thought.
Tool 4. The goodbye that plants a seed.
A goodbye that plants a seed?
Most people know how to start, but they do not know how to close. And if you close wrong, the friendship stops right there. It ends before it begins.
What is a wrong goodbye?
Okay, bye. Then silence, then you both walk away, and you never speak again.
I have done that many times.
But a goodbye that plants a seed sounds like this. It was really nice talking to you. Are you here often? You leave the door open for next time.
Oh, you don't close the conversation, you just pause it.
You plant the next conversation before this one ends. Just one sentence is enough. See you next week, or maybe I'll see you here again.
That is not a goodbye, that is a see you soon.
And that is how a friendship begins. Before the word tour, 5 sentence starters for when your mouth opens and the words don't come.
That is every morning for me.
These work in the first 3 minutes of any conversation. Ready? Starter 1. To be honest, for a real honest answer. To be honest, this is my first time here. Starter 3. Out of nowhere, for something sudden. Out of nowhere, this place got very busy. Starter 4. Looking back on it, when you're reflecting. Looking back on it, I should have said something sooner. Starter 5. All in all, for a closing feeling. All in all, it has been a good morning. Mohin, let's try. I am a stranger at the coffee shop. You want to talk to me. Go.
Okay. To be honest, this is my favorite coffee shop in the city.
Oh, really? How long have you been coming here?
Every single day for 2 years.
Mohin, that was completely natural.
It was?
It really was. Time for our word tour. 3 words from today. Slow and clear.
Word 1. Small talk. Say it with us. Small talk. Small talk. Small talk.
Small talk is light, friendly conversation, not about serious things, about the place, the weather, the moment you are in.
Mike, this coffee is good. Or, busy day today, isn't it?
Exactly. Small talk is the warm-up before the real conversation, like stretching before you run. You do not run without it.
You can say, I'm still learning how to make small talk in English, but I try every day.
Beautiful. Instead of saying, I don't know what to say, let me start with some small talk.
Word 2, strike up, as in strike up a conversation. Say it. Strike up. Strike up.
To strike up a conversation means to start one, intentionally, warmly. It sounds confident, like you made a choice.
Like, I wanted to strike up a conversation, but I didn't know how.
Perfect sentence, completely natural.
You can say, I'm trying to strike up conversations more, even when it feels scary.
That is a sentence you can use today. Instead of start talking to someone, say strike up a conversation.
Strike up. I like that. It sounds like music.
It does, doesn't it?
Word 3, common ground. Common ground.
Common ground is something you and the other person share. The same interest, the same experience, the same feeling.
Like, we both come to this coffee shop every morning. That is our common ground.
Exactly. When you find common ground, the conversation stops feeling like work. It starts feeling like a friendship, like a plant finding good soil.
You can say, I think we have some common ground. We both study in the evenings.
That is a perfect sentence. Instead of we are similar, say we have some common ground.
3 good words today.
3 very good words.
Okay. Let's go back. All 4 tools. Tool 1,
Okay.
the opening line. One real sentence about the moment, the place, what is happening right now. Not just, hi, something the other person can actually answer.
Perfect. Tool 2.
The question bridge. After they speak, use their words. Ask one connected question. Build the bridge with what they give you.
Beautiful. Tool 3.
The small offer. Do one kind thing. Hold a door. Offer a seat. Let the action speak first. The words follow.
And tool 4.
The goodbye that plants a seed. Don't say bye and disappear. Say one sentence that opens the next conversation. Are you here often? Maybe I'll see you again.
Mohin, that was perfect. Every single one.
Really?
Really, that is a small win.
That is a small win.
Can I say something? To you, the person listening right now.
Please.
You did not click on this video by accident. You clicked because there is someone at school, at work, at a coffee shop, somewhere in your life that you want to talk to. And your English has been standing between you and that person. I want you to know the first sentence is the hardest for everyone in every language. But you only need one real, small, honest sentence, and the door opens. Just one sentence is enough. You found this video, you listened, you are still here. That is everything.
If my mouth can move, yours can too.
We believe in you. We really do. Before we go, your homework.
Easy homework.
Go to the comments. Complete this sentence. The next time I want to make a friend in English, I will say,
For example, the next time I want to make a friend in English, I will say, is this seat free?
or I will say, funnily enough, I was just thinking the same thing.
One sentence, that is enough.
We read every comment, every one.
Please subscribe to Speak English Flow. New episodes regularly.
And share this with one friend who is learning English. Just one.
Just one sentence is enough. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye. Thank you for listening. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.